So my name is Professor Arif Harekar. I'm basically a professor of neurology and teaching epilepsy plus other modalities of neurology. This particular video is dedicated to a friend who has left me after having suffered from COVID infection last year. Let me tell you about my friend, Dr. Anthony Malinga Zimba. In 2009, I came to know that there was an epilepsy conference in Lusaka, the capital of Zambia. We communicated and I got into the conference and started to involve myself in the conference. But very soon came to know that the state of epilepsy management treatment was beyond par. And when I spoke in the conference, people realized that I had almost 3 to 3.5 decades of exposure to epilepsy and its management. Very soon, I was associated with the doctors and epileptologists and neurologists of all the African countries. Since Anthony Zimba was looking after the International League Against Epilepsy in Africa, he contacted me and wanted me to work for the people of Africa, the poor population who was suffering from epilepsy and the stigma of epilepsy, both in the provinces, in the rural and the urban areas. I took up the challenge and we got associated. Anthony Zimba was a very nice person. Because of him, I developed a special liking for not only Lusaka or Zambia, but for the whole of continent Africa. I continued from 2009 to 2020 to visit Lusaka, and in the same context, in the same process, we attended conferences together, me and Anthony, in Senegal, then in Nairobi, and we got associated with each other. We used to communicate very frequently, and we tried our best, as Anthony was already working for the poor population of Africa, would go into the villages and look after the poor people. Not only was I associated with Africa as far as epilepsy is concerned, I got into teaching and I continued to teach. And this teaching expanded into my love for the African people, the poor people of Africa. I used to visit them every 2 to 3 years, and we used to do OPDs in several hospitals. Then we used to do academic sessions. Together with my colleague Anthony Malinga Zimba, there was another gentleman from Pakistan, Dr. Waqas Sheikh, another very, very good human. And we continued our relationship. Waqas Sheikh then shifted to Livingstone, the city of Victoria Falls. And I also traveled from Lusaka in Zambia to the Victoria Falls of the Livingstone, that is also in Zambia. My relationship with Africa continued to grow. I went to Tanzania. I did my sessions, my lectures, my academics, my teaching in a small town called Arusha, which is the greatest hunting ground in Africa, associated with the Goringoro crater and the other huge safari parks. I also taught in other parts of Tanzania. And then I was also associated with patients for a while in Nairobi, all happening through my colleague, Anthony Malinga Zimba. Our association grew. He was a great human being. He always welcomed me, and whenever I landed in Lusaka, he was there to receive me. And he told, at time, he talked to the immigration guys and said, "This gentleman is here to look after us, to look after the poor population of Africa. Let him come in and help the poor population." Unfortunately, as the association grew and my contact with Africa continued to grow, and I was also associated with the media. I did a lot of television sessions, radio sessions, FM sessions, interviews with the news media, both in Lusaka and in Livingstone. On the 20th of August 2020, unfortunately, this often devastating disease, COVID-19, struck Anthony. And the last time I spoke to him, I was actually trying to get to him for almost 3 weeks, but he wouldn't pick up the phone. And then suddenly, one day, when I phoned him, he picked up the phone and said, Arif, I'm not feeling well, I'm breathless, I've got COVID. That was the only thing he could tell me. There was no chance of a goodbye. Such people are far and few. Hope there are more people, and I'm sure there are lots of epileptologists and people working for ILAE and the epilepsy forums. Continue to serve the poor patients, not only of Africa or Pakistan, for this planet called Earth. God bless Anthony. God bless all of us.